Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G in awesome Lilac, featuring 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Key features include a premium glass back, 50 megapixels main camera with OIS and Nightography. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G has a strong customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 reviews, with 300+ units purchased in the past month. The Galaxy A35 5G is available for an effective price of 19,889 rupees, reflecting a 42% savings. You can also opt for monthly EMI plans starting at 983 rupees for 24 months with an HDFC Bank credit card. The display is a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for protection. The camera system is robust, including a 50 megapixels main camera and support for Nightography and Super HDR video. It can record video at Ultra HD 4K at 30 frames per second. The phone runs on the latest Android 14 OS with One UI 6.1, powered by the Samsung Exynos 1380, a 5nm octa-core processor. The Galaxy A35 5G features a massive 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It supports 25W C-type super-fast charging for quick power-ups. Enjoy 4 generations of Android OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. The device comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, with 6 months for inbox accessories. Customer reviews highlight that the device is good for daily use, praising its display and value. However, feedback is mixed on battery life, and some users reported heating and variable performance.